Hello boys and girls, welcome to Crush Lusher Television. We're going to crush some problems right here. So we have our notebook out. Make sure your notebook has literal equations at the top and the date. So we're going to take some notes. So you got one column with regular, one column with literal. What does literal mean? That means there's a lot of variables and maybe some numbers, but a lot of variables. Same rules apply. Let me show you. Check it out. Here we go. So we were solving equations before. We're going to solve them again. Now, let's try this. Whoop, right here. X minus 7 equals 8. Easy. What am I going to do first? Oh, yeah, add 7. X equals 15. We did the same thing over here. Solve for X. Look, it looks the same as this one over here, but we just don't have any more numbers. Okay, so plus B plus B. So X equals, here is 8 plus 7. Here is A plus B. I don't know what they are, so I can't combine them. And then there, I'm done. Easy. Okay, let's try the next one. 4x equals negative 12. Whoop, write that in your notes. Okay, pause the video if you need to make sure you have everything in your notes. So what's the opposite of multiplication? Whoop, division. Whoop, division. X equals negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. That's what we do. Okay, same thing over here. Let's try this. Negative 3k equals m. Whoop, like this. So the same thing, opposite of multiplication, division. So k equals, well, I could divide this here. I could have left that there. I can simplify it. But here I can't simplify it. I just have m divided by negative 3. Boom, 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 boom. Got it. Okay, let's make it a little more challenging, shall we? Two-step problem. Ooh, not that challenging. Plus 5. Plus 5. Solve it with me. Write down everything I write. 2x equals 16 divided by 2 divided by 2. And x equals 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Got it. Oop, but now we're going to solve for b here. Oh, they got a number here, but they got a d. Okay, no problem. So I'm going to solve for b. I'm going to put a little mark right there because that's what I'm going to keep. Everything else has got to go. See you later. On the right side, here you go. Plus 9 plus 9. 2b equals d plus 9. So I can't combine those. I don't know what d is. So I'm just going to divide now because opposite of multiplication, division. Divide by 2. There you go. So 1 divided by 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and so b equals d plus 9 divided by 2. Got it. Okay, let's try another one. Number 4. 4a. Alright, oh my god, what am I going to do? Well, first thing, this half has got to get out of there. So the opposite of multiplying by half, that's dividing by 2, is to multiply by 2. There you go. Because when I multiply by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 1 times 4x is 4x. 1 times anything is itself. And so if I have a half there, I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides. So negative 20 times 2 is negative 40. Got it. Okay, next step, divide by 4. We can do that. That's easy. Negative 40 divided by 4 is negative 10. There we go. Okay, let's try this one. Ooh, this one's weird. I want to solve for g. That means everything else has got to go. Multiplication, multiplication. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm just going to divide by a, e. So a divided by a is 1, e divided by e is 1. And so I have g equals 10 over a, e. Got it. All right, I think we're getting the hang of it. Let's try this. Division. No worries. Right here, 5a. Opposite of dividing by negative 8, whoop, multiplying by negative 8. Multiplying by negative 8, both sides. Negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1. So I got x here. 11 times negative 8 is negative 88. Whoop, got it. Alright, let's go over here. So I got to solve for y. So that means this 3 has got to go. Opposite of dividing by 3, whoop, multiply by 3. Y equals 3 times h is 3h. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Let's try the next page, shall we? No problemo. Alright. So I'm not even going to do this a part anymore. We're just going to solve over here. Because the more you see, the better you're going to do. Check it out. So 3d equals 7v plus 5. What am I solving for? V. Make sure you take a good look at that, what we're solving for. So here's v right there. I got to get everything out. Okay? Make sure you're writing this in your notes. Okay? Example 6. Write it in your notes. Minus 5 minus 5. 3d minus 5 equals 7v. So 3d minus 5, I can't combine those because I don't know what d is. So V, got to get by itself, divide by 7, divide by 7, whoop, whoop. 7 divided by 7 is 1, and there's my answer. V equals 3D minus 5 divided by 7. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, next one. Solve for H, no problem. Whoop. Okay, here's H right here. Okay, first thing I got to do, get this 10 out of there. So opposite of positive 10, negative 10. Okay, so I have 7a minus 10. Got to keep it like that, because I don't know what a is. Equals, oh, be careful, negative 2h right there. Okay, opposite of multiplying by negative 2 is dividing by negative 2. Boom, there you go. 7a minus 10 divided by negative 2. Got it. Ooh, okay, one more. Let's try this one. P. Oh my god, we're solving for P. No worries. Okay, so this 5 has got to get out of there. What I could distribute that, but it's going to create a mess. What I'm going to do is opposite of multiplying by 5. 5 times all this in the parentheses is divide by 5. Let's start with that. 5 divided by 5, 1. Get out of there. 4x plus P equals W divided by 5. Okay, what am I solving for? P, right? So I gotta get this 4x out of there. So I'm gonna subtract by this whole 4x. Get out, get out, get out. And 4x minus 4x is 0. 0 plus P is P. And there we go. There's our answer right there. Whoop, got it. Alright, we got a few more. Ooh, multiple choice now. Ooh, multiple choice. Okay, no problem. 2 at the bottom. So I got A here. That's what I'm solving for because I'm looking at the answer choices. They all solve for A. So that's what I have to do. So, same rules. Let's add 8B. Whoop! Add 8B. So I have 7A equals 10x plus 8B. Divide by 7. Divide by 7. Dot dot. A equals 10x plus 8B divided by 7. Which one is that? 10x plus 8B divided by 7. Boom, right there. Choice B. Got it. Okay. Keep it going, keep it going. Which of the following is equivalent to 4ab plus k equals 13? What am I solving for? Oh, k. It says right there in my answer choices. Whoop, right there. So, opposite of adding by k is subtracting. I can subtract this whole term right here. So I get k equals 13 minus 4ab. So, boom, C. Got it. No problemo. Okay. Now, get your textbook, green textbook. Let's open up to page 542. Page 542. Page 542. You know what we do? We do the odds, and we check the answers in the back, right? We do the odds. No problemo. Whoop, 1 right there in your notes. I'm going to write it here because these are my notes. Volume equals length times width times height. Okay? So, what am I going to do? I'm going to solve for W because that's what I need. So the opposite of multiplying by L and H is dividing by L and H. Divide by L and H, both sides. L divided by L is 1, H divided by H is 1, and 1 times W is W. So that should be my answer. W equals V divided by L H. I'm drawing my L like that. I don't want to draw my L like that because it looks like a 1, right? So you got to draw a little cursive L like that. And W equals V over LH. Good. So here we are at number 3. You can do that. Oh, it's very similar to this one. And then you got number 5, 7, 9, etc. Check your answers in the back of the book. We're going to talk about this one, number 14, in a second. Then we're going to do a puzzle. Good luck. Raise your hand if you have any questions. Crush Lusher.